Polar molecules are going to create little electric fields. Even though they're overall neutral, the negative side is still going to have these inward-facing field arrows, and the positive side is still going to have these outward-facing field arrows. So they're going to create electric fields, but also they're going to respond to these fields. And that means that the negative sides are going to be attracted to positive charges, and the positive sides are going to be attracted to negative charges. One really quick example before I finish. Water is polar. We just proved that, or we just demonstrated it, I guess. That means it acts like a little magnet, with a negative pole where the oxygen is, and positive poles where the hydrogens are. So if you have two water molecules, imagine you have two magnets, and you put them next to each other. What are they going to do? Well, the positive and the negative ends, they should attract each other, right? They should align and then slide towards each other a little bit. So that means if you have two water molecules, they should align and move in towards each other. So if water is like a bunch of little magnets, it should be able to stick to itself. Does it? Yeah, it does. I don't know if you've ever seen a droplet of water, but it doesn't fall down into a puddle. It stays up in a little dome. Water kind of defies gravity by pulling itself up into beads instead of going down into puddles. And you can see this for yourself if you very slowly drip water onto a penny. What's going to happen is it's not going to fall down, it's going to stay in a dome. This is because the water is electrically attracted to itself, just like a pile of magnets. If you stack a bunch of magnets together, they're not going to fall together. Like if these were all, acorns or something, they wouldn't stack up like this, they would fall. But because they have this attractive force, they stand up. Same thing here. Beautiful. Okay, so the reason why this stays up in a dome instead of falling down like you would imagine, it just falls off the edge like that, is because the water molecules inside are being attracted to each other just like each one of these magnets is attracted, because they're polar.